The COVID-19 pandemic has changed our definition of essential. Before the pandemic, plumbers were considered service workers, like many other professions. But now, plumbers have been deemed essential.
It would be a catastrophe. Yeah, a 100% catastrophe. If plumbers took a day off, it would be an absolute nightmare. And there would be sewage overflowing. The health risk would be unbelievable because we get calls like this one where you come and there's literally sewage coming out of people's toilets and going into their living room. Chris
Reynolds is the owner of Hall's Plumbing. Reynolds says his crew of plumbers haven't missed a beat. They've worked every single day during the pandemic.
A lot more people are inside, they're using their facilities more. And so for us, we've actually seen an increase, and we've actually hired 4 more people during the pandemic, and we've been working 60, 70-hour work weeks to try to keep up.
Going in and out of 20 to 30 homes a day.
We got Kevin Joe here. We got Permaliner going in today. The sewer line dives deep, and it needed replacement. So these guys are going to shoot a new liner inside of the old pipe.
While Reynolds says his team takes extra precautions.
We wear new gloves. We have crawl suits and stuff when we go into houses, booties.
He hopes plumbers receive a COVID-19 vaccine soon, saying all service members should be a little higher on the priority list, but strongly agrees with the state of California's distribution plan of healthcare workers, people living in long-term care facilities, and first responders receiving the first batch of doses.
I'm not going to put myself or one of my guys above somebody that could potentially die from the disease. From the virus. I think that we should take care of the most susceptible and the most vulnerable first. I mean, most of my crew are under 40 years old, so I mean, we're a healthy bunch, but our main concern is transmitting it to other people.
Another service group we haven't been able to survive the pandemic without: grocery store associates. Here at Taylor's Market in Sacramento, associates say there's been a constant flow of shoppers. For Thanksgiving, they had 4 times the amount of customers they usually do.
It's been like I keep saying, a holiday that never ends. We're busy all the time. It never stops. So it's just busier. People are eating at home more.
Although Jason Chapman wants more research and testing done before receiving a COVID-19 vaccination, he hopes grocery store associates aren't too far down the food chain.
I think we should probably be in the middle, but first responders definitely should have it first. You know, I don't know what kind of order it should go in after that, but we are definitely exposed.
Until then, the type 1 diabetic says all he and his fellow workers can do is continue practicing safety measures already put into place.
We try to even distance ourselves from each other here, you know, like we do the best we can and stay as clean as possible. That's all we can do, you know, but there's no way to tell who's going to be interacting with anybody, you know, so you just hope for the best, you know, and so far we've been safe.
In Sacramento, Brittany Johnson, KCRA 3 News.